Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to do this beautiful look for you. And I don't know, I just got kind of inspired by princesses and unicorns, so we got this glittery pink glowy look for today. And if you have a tiara, then go ahead and take that out of your closet or wherever and just put it on your head. All right, let's get started. Okay guys, so I went ahead and did my face makeup and my brows already, and the products will be listed below. I'm wearing this thing because it got a little bit cold. So yeah, let's get started with the eyes. And for the eyes, I'm using this Anastasia palette. And lately I've been using this a lot, this palette. I love the colors. And first I'm going to use this beautiful pink color. I'm going to place that in the inner corner and the outer corner, so the middle part stays blank. And I am dragging it a little bit on the crease as well, and making a little wing. I'm putting a lot of product, so you will see the color more. So when you open your eyes, you want to see the color also on your crease, like this. All right, next color is Barb, and that's this color. And I will be placing that in the middle part of my eyelid. Okay, with this color, I already feel like a princess. Look at this color, so pretty. And for this as well, you also put it on your crease, connecting it to the pink color we just used. All right, now we're going to use this cupcake color, this one, cupcake, purple color underneath the eyes, and we're going to place that on the inner corner, and then on the outer corner we're using this pink color we used. Okay, now taking the pink color again and placing it on the outer corner and connecting it to hair. You guys, these colors are so pretty. These pinks and this purple and the shimmery color. I don't know, I also feel like a unicorn. A princess unicorn. Yes. Okay, so now I'm going to take this palette from Anastasia, Norvena palette, and I'm going to use this color, Wild Child, and I'm going to place that on top of these colors. And you can take it all the way until your brows. So we're going to use the whole eye space. And when you take pictures, then all these colors will be so gorgeous. Just like you. And definitely we're going to put a crown on our head because we deserve it. Yes. So pretty. Okay, and for the last part, we're taking this palette again and using the color Lilly. This one. And I'm going to place that in the inner corner of my eye just to give that sparkly effect. Okay, now I am going to take my black eyeliner and make a wing. Okay guys, so that's the eyeliner. So now onto lashes, and I'm using the Lilly Lashes in the style NYC. All right, the lashes are on. Super pretty. And now I'm going to put on blush, and I'm going to use a pink color. And I'm also going to put a little bit blush on my nose, so we get that flushed look. All right, onto the lips, and I am using the MAC's liner Stripdown. And then I'm using the Urban Decay lipstick in the color Stark Naked. And then I am going to take the eye color, the gold sparkles I put in the inner corner of my eyes, and I'm going to place that a little bit over my lips. And I'm just going to put that on the middle part of my lips. And for highlighter, I'm using the MAC highlighter Strobe and the color Golden. It's so beautiful. Look at these colors, and I love the blush as well. All right, so now for the fun part. I am going to put my crown on my head. All right, here is my crown. Isn't it beautiful? So pretty. All right, let's put it on our head. Look at that, it's so pretty. All right, now I do feel like a princess. A unicorn princess. Oh my gosh. This is such a look. So pretty. All right, so go ahead and subscribe, comment down below, like this video, and then I will see you in my next video next week. All right, bye guys. I wish I could wear a crown every day. Maybe that's not a bad idea. Maybe I should wear a crown every day. Why not? Look at all these sparkles, and I just love glitter and sparkles and glowiness and crowns, tiaras.